Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to make a sink or lavabo curtain. Welcome to Balon's Fam channel and please click the subscribe and bell button below. The materials that we're gonna be using are sewing machine, measuring tape, thread, scissors, pongee or Gina silk fabric that has a width of 60 inches and height of 35 inches. Let's start off sewing the both sides of the curtain. Fold the fabric twice to the wrong side and sew it. And just repeat on the other side. And we're done with the sides. Let's go to the upper part. Fold the fabric once to the wrong side and sew it at about 1/4 inch. Next, measure 3 inches from the top and fold it to the wrong side. Always check if you're having a 3 inches fold to ensure a straight stitch. Then sew on the top at 1 inch. Again, always check if you're having a 1 inch allowance to ensure a straight stitch. And we're done with the upper part. Now, let's proceed to the last part, which is the bottom part. Before sewing, we're just gonna make sure that our measurement is correct, which is 30 inches length. So there it is. Fold it twice and let's get into sewing. And we're done. We have our sink curtain now. If you want to purchase this curtain, feel free to check out our social media accounts, link in the description box.
So that's it. Thank you for watching.